Hello viewer, welcome to my YouTube channel Software Testing. Today I'll show you how you can handle hidden element in Selenium. So in order to do that, first we need to see the example in application how that hidden elements works. So this application rahulshettyacademy.com/automation practice. Here you see there is two buttons, hide and show. If you click hide, this element input box will hide. Let's say if you hide this box is hidden. Box is there but it is hidden now. If you click show, it will show up. You can enter any text over here. Let's say software testing. So then if you click hide, it will hide. So if it is hidden, then how you can handle those things? At the time of hidden, you need to write over here something. How you can handle this thing in Selenium. So I'll show you step by step how to do that. So in order to do that, we will use Eclipse IDE. You can use any other IDE. Those who are new in Eclipse IDE as well as Selenium, how to set up Selenium project package and those things, I have a separate video for that in my channel. You can watch from there. Once you are in here, select the package, then right click in the package, then go new, then other. If you want to create a JUnit test case or Java class, that you can do. We'll do the testng class. Click other over here, testng class, click next. Once you are in here, keep it up to source. Thereafter you need to write your class name. Let's say my class name is hidden element. We are not taking any other annotation, just click finish over here. Here we need to write our code. Let's say first thing we need to write WebDriver driver equal to null. So WebDriver, it's a red mark, mouse over and import WebDriver, red mark will be gone. Thereafter we need to do our set property, because which driver we'll use. Basically we will use Firefox browser to run our test. For Firefox browser you need to Gecko driver, so you need to set that system.set property. Here is a key value pair. Key is a WebDriver dot Gecko dot driver, and value should be the path of your Gecko driver. This path basically where you put your Gecko driver in your system. So my system, here is my Gecko driver path. Let's copy from here, paste it over here. Thereafter you need to driver equal to new Firefox driver. Now Firefox driver is a red mark, mouse over and import Firefox driver, red mark will be gone. Thereafter we need to do driver dot manage dot window dot maximize. This will maximize your window. Thereafter we need to do driver dot get. Here you need to put your application URL. Our URL is over here, Control C, then we need to paste it over here. Thereafter we need to write our command. First thing we need to click our hide button, driver dot find element by dot id, then we need to click over here. We'll take the ID from the application later on. Just write our code first, dot click. Thereafter we need to write something in the hidden element input box. So driver dot find element by dot id. Then once you want to write something in an input box, then you need to use the send keys. Send keys. Let's say we'll write something software testing. finish up with the semicolon. Now we need to figure it out, the ID, hide button and input box. So go to the application, here is the hide button, right click, inspect, you will get the ID. If you get the ID, take that ID, you don't need to look after anything else. So if you don't get the ID, then you can look for any other properties. So now in the input box basically click show, it will give you, this is the input box, mouse over, this is the input box ID is display text, copy from here and then paste it over here. So basically if the element is showed, it is not hidden, then it should work. But as element is hidden, if you run this script, it will fail. Let me check that one. So right click, run as test-ng test. It will fail. Let's see how the fail exception happen. So browser open, it will navigate that page. You see hide button, it will click over here. It is clicked, and let me take a look in the Eclipse, it is failed or not. If you see, it is failed. So what is the reason? Failed reason is element not interactable exception. It got this. That means you cannot interact with this element. So how you can handle this? We can handle this thing using JavaScriptExecutor. So let me write that code. Let's see how it works. JavaScriptExecutor equal to JSC equal to JavaScriptExecutor driver, semicolon. Here you need wrap up with that. Now it is red mark, mouse over, you need to import JavaScriptExecutor, OR is the spelling. So now mouse over, you see you need to import this thing. Thereafter you need to write JSC dot execute script then here you need to write the JavaScript element properties. So how you will get that? Go to the application, then go, we are in here, we need to go this box, right? So you need to go to the console. Thereafter you need to write document dot get element by ID. So element ID is display text. So if you hit enter, you see that is the element we are looking for. So we need to copy those things. Copy, go to Eclipse, paste it over here. So here you need to modify something. You need to place over here single quote. So this is our element. Then what you will do, dot value equal to whatever we want to write over here, software testing. You can pass any value over here. Thereafter semicolon, and we need another semicolon. Now this semicolon will be over here. So that means now if button is hidden, then with the help of JavaScriptExecutor, it will pass this value in that input box. So let's say save it, right click, run as test-ng test. So let's see how it goes. Browser open and it maximize and navigate it to the application. Then let's say it will click hide button. It clicked hide button and it is done. So that means let's say we can see that you see test is passed, there is no failure. So let me go to that. Now if you click show over here, you see software testing, it is passed in that. That means if element is hidden, with the help of JavaScript executor you can pass that value in the hidden element. So in this way, in modern application you will get lot of element that is hidden. If you get any element is hidden, you can use the JavaScript executor to perform action for that element. It might be click, it might be write something into input box, it might be anything. So with the help of JavaScript executor you can handle those things. I believe those who are new in Selenium as well as handling hidden element, this video will be very helpful for themselves. If you think this is helpful, please like my video, subscribe my channel and share it to others. Also, if you have any question, please make a comment. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video.